Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our lesson plan number 6 and the topic is sound. So here we have to write setup, subject, class, date, branch, period, and in the center we have to write topic, that is sound. Then comes general objectives, which is same for whole science subject, and specific objectives, which is divided into three parts: cognitive, affective and psychomotor domain. Then comes previous knowledge. Students have previous knowledge about the sense organs. An introductory question. Here we have to make two columns like this. First is introductory question and then second is students expected answer. And the question number 5 is problematic question. What do you understand by sound? Then a statement of aim. Sound is a form of energy which produces a sensation of hearing in our ears. So today we will study about sound in detail. Then comes presentation. Teaching point, that is a production of sound, teaching method and technique. Here we have used inductive method. In inductive method we proceed from examples to rule. सो यहाँ पे हमने कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं कि ऑब्जर्वेशन में व्हाट डू यू feel on touching the school bell when it produces sound? The student will answer the school bell vibrates. What do you feel when a tightly stressed rubber band is plugged? Rubber band vibrates and produces sound. What do you feel when you strike a metal plate or a pan with a stick? And we feel that the metal plate vibrates and produces sound. What do we feel when you plug the guitar? String moves back and forth and causes vibration. So what is the common attribute इन सारे एग्जाम्पल्स में? कॉमन कौन सी चीज़ थी इन सारे एग्जाम्पल्स में? क्या था कि वी ऑब्जर्व दैट साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय वाइब्रेटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने कुछ पिक्चर्स भी दिखा दी हैं 4 एग्जाम्पल्स की, तो वो बेटर होगा समझने के लिए. देन कम्स पीपल टीचर स्टेटमेंट. In this we have to explain the sound is produced by vibration of an object. इस तरह से. Then next step in this inductive method is application. So and then comes activity. यहाँ पे एक activity है. Speak loudly for a while or sing a song. Put your hand on your throat. How do you feel? Student will say we feel vibrations like this. Here example of how sounds are produced, like human voice, bees buzz, musical sounds. These all produces sound. And then comes evaluation. In evaluation we can give true or false or MCQs and fill in the blanks. Then second teaching point is propagation of sound. In this we have used lecture method with question and answer technique. Teaching resource PowerPoint presentation with pictures. Then we have to make a 3 columns like this: people teacher activity, students activity and whiteboard work. Then developing question and expected answers. Then people teacher statement, an activity, how sound travels through solids का एक activity दिखाया है यहाँ पे. फिर sound travels through air, then sound travels through liquid. Then evaluatory questions are given here. Third teaching point is human ear. In this we have used lecture method with question and answer technique. Here we have to make 3 columns: people teacher activity, students activity and whiteboard work. Developing question and expected answers. Third question will be like some kind of problematic question because student may or may not answer. देन पीपल टीचर स्टेटमेंट, ह्यूमन ईयर का एक्सप्लेनेशन है यहाँ पे. इसका पिक्चर्स के थ्रू यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन किया है कि आउटर ईयर ये है, फिर मिडल ईयर, फिर इनर ईयर. इस तरह से प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ईयर, किस तरह से हम अपने ईयर्स को प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, ये भी है. एंड स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटी में क्या लिखेंगे? स्टूडेंट्स विल लिसन केयरफुली, नोट डाउन इन देयर नोटबुक. यहाँ पे इवेल्यूएशन में एक चीज़ करी है, जो भी मैंने पार्ट्स पढ़ाए हैं ईयर के वो सारे मैंने उनको लेबल करने के लिए दे दिया, एक डायग्राम बना दिया, उसको मैंने कहा है कि लेबल दी डायग्राम, सो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को स्टूडेंट जो है यहाँ पे लेबल कर सकेगा। तो ये एक अच्छा तरीका है वैल्यूएशन लेने का। देन कम्स रिकैप्चुलेशन। रिकैप्चुलेशन, आई हैव मेड अ माइंड मैप। साउंड, हाउ डू वी हियर? ईयर बिकॉज ऑफ ईयर ड्रम, फिर स्ट्रेच मेम्ब्रेन, इस तरह से फिर हमारे ईयर, ह्यूमन ईयर तक जाती है। देन साउंड नीड्स मीडियम टू ट्रैवल। कौन से मीडियम? सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस। साउंड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय ह्यूमन, साउंड प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू द वाइब्रेशन ऑफ वोकल कॉर्ड्स। Sound is produced by vibrating body, human voice, bees, birds, musical instrument like guitar, violin, and drums. Then comes homework. Describe the structure of human ear with label diagram. Then supervisor's remark. Supervisor will give you a remark after teaching this topic. So this is the end of our lesson plan. Please like, share, and subscribe for getting more lesson plans.